Heyo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Potter with the Grandmaster Glass YouTube channel. So before we get started on this one, all the YouTube stuff, like, comment, subscribe, help me grow this channel. Enjoying these update vlogs, staying consistent with it, and yeah, just with the help of you, we're gonna grow this channel. So getting right into it. Not a whole lot on this vlog. This update, I've been working on the slurper sets for Alien Smoke. I had mentioned that in the last video. I've got the clear ones right here. I've got all the top marbles. They're 4-piece sets. And so I've got all the top marbles. It comes with a guard, a pillar, and a pearl. And I've got all the top marbles done, all the guards done as well. And now we're working on the pillars. Then I'll move on to the last little pearls, and those will take not too long. And then I've got all the colors in the last vlog that you saw. And that's just such a cool thing, like I said, to have all new colors I've never used before. Just to have that opportunity to use colors that I'm not familiar with, because glass, because of the different minerals and properties in it, it has different consistencies. So one color might be really easy to work and another color might be really stiff. One color might not like to be encased and another color might do perfectly. So another thing is sometimes colors boil, flame chemistries are different. So just little things that if I've never used a color, I'm not familiar with it, and so I won't know how to use it or how to apply it in different ways. So yeah, there's just so many little things with glass and how you approach it and what you have to think about that yeah, it makes it for a really, really fun task. So having those colors, I'm really excited to get into that. I'll probably start that tonight, maybe tomorrow morning. I'll have these sets done probably by Friday. It's Wednesday today. And yeah, just trying to stay consistent with these vlogs. Like I said, not too much to talk about on this one. I know, like one of the things I wanted to talk about, is just something small, is that I'm starting to find myself bored with Instagram. I'd like to have a more like formal sitting, like a setting, if I'm gonna be looking at art or like relaxing. So like scrolling through Instagram and trying to like take in awesome, like unbelievable art is not, it's beginning to not become appealing to me. Like that's where all the glass people are at, but it's just like, to me it's not as appealing anymore, just sitting and scrolling. Like I'd rather like sit down, relax, watch a video, watch something thought out, see high resolution like videos and photos. And yeah, rather than like sitting in the car and like flipping through and giving something a tap and then continue, like giving it like 5 seconds and then moving on. I don't know. It's just something I'm feeling. And so wanting to transition to YouTube and have the glass community be on YouTube is probably a long shot, but I'm gonna make my way with it. So maybe even doing other things to pull people in, because I've got a lot of hobbies. But I don't know. We're gonna have to find what works for this channel, because I want to grow it. I'm gonna grow it. I know I am. So just probably one day looking back at this video, saying "fuck yeah, good job, never stop evolving." Because like I've said it before, it's as much for me as it is for you. Just that slogan to never stop evolving, and to just find yourself. What's the good word? To just find yourself pushing forward, you know. But that, yeah, basically Instagram is kind of like meh for me now. And I think what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to try to have my Instagram only glass blowers, and I'm going to have a personal Instagram. So I follow a lot of random people, or, you know, different pages and just groups and just different things where it's become not fun for me. So I want to clean up my Instagram, and I'm going to have a separate page for like my friends or personal people that like have value in my life. And then that way I can like narrow down my glass blowing content. And I want to start doing or I want to continue doing the market watches, because I haven't done one of those in probably 2 weeks, and I want to get back to that. Do those once a week. I'm thinking Fridays is going to kind of be the deal. I was trying to do them on Mondays and kind of make that like something to look forward to on Monday mornings when people are going to work and stuff. But I think it to me, it just seems more fun to do it on Friday afternoons when people get off work and they're relaxing. And yeah, that's just my take on things. So enough rambling probably for this episode. I'll I'm gonna be working on the the spheres and the slurper sets for alien smokes, like I said, and I will give you guys an update on that. Pretty much, that's gonna probably leave it at this. That's probably gonna leave it for this video. We're about 5 minutes in. I don't think I have anything else to update you guys on, really. Yeah. Actually, as well, one thing I can update you on is I've been working on marbles, and I'm gonna have a nice little drop here pretty soon. I've got a small stash right here. I will get it out of my drawer, and yeah, because I've had a few people ask me when I'm gonna do my next marble drop, like publicly, and so actually, for you guys, I am going to show you. I wasn't planning on it, but now I will. These are a bunch of dichro marbles I've been working on. The last round of marbles I did was silver fumed. And so this round I was trying to work on like dichro. And this one is probably my favorite right now. Just the way it hits and the way the dichro is separated. Really, really cool. Something I'm not comfortable on. I'm teaching myself how to do the dichro. So I think that's really fun and special. Little fun idea I had, I did a dot stack, and then I wigged and wagged it, and then I just balled it up. So that was kind of fun experiment. And this one I did last night, and it came out fucking fire. I'm getting way better at the solid and calmos. I've also figured out how to connect the glass, the black to the clear, and not have it risk cracking, because I was having issues. But yeah, dropping 2 opals and encasing them, those are sphere opals, and they're expensive, man. Those are not cheap, and those are 2 millimeters, so those are tiny. But and when I say way more expensive than, you know, you've got, I can get a gram of like tumbled opals, but I have to buy the spheres individually. So anytime you have to do that, it's gonna be more expensive. So, but I think that's super fire. I might have sold this one already. I'm going to probably list it for around $100. So we will see what happens with this guy. The signature on it. Where's it? There we go. GMG 2021. I just thought it looked really clean. But yeah, so that is, I guess, the other thing that I've updated you guys on. So this video was worth it. So other than that, guys, that's probably going to wrap up my update video. Comment down below, like I said, if you're enjoying these videos, if you like what I'm doing. Like I said, I want to grow these. Maybe share the video with your friends. Whatever you can definitely helps. I appreciate it, growing the channel, because the glass community on YouTube is small. So we'll see. It'll be an uphill battle to grow this channel, but I know I'm going to do it. So just the slogan, never stop evolving. Other than that, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and remember, never stop evolving.